How to play Melty Blood Actress Again online easy method. Most people get this wrong by not configuring the online lobby correctly or missing updates. The surprising truth is that playing Melty Blood Actress Again online is smooth when you follow the right steps. Start by downloading the latest version from an official source and install it. Launch the game and navigate to the online mode. You won't believe how easy it is to find matches once the network settings are correct. Create or log into your player account. Configure NAT and firewall settings if needed to ensure smooth matchmaking. Select your preferred server region for the best ping. Next, choose your character and enter the online lobby. Use the matchmaking system or challenge friends directly. Adjust settings like input delay to suit your connection and reduce lag. In conclusion, playing Melty Blood Actress Again online is simple and enjoyable when you install updates, configure network settings, and select the right server. Follow these steps, and you'll have smooth, competitive matches every time.